Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about a new AI tool, introducing Pica AI Art Generator. This is a tool where you can generate images from text. You can turn your images into a beautiful painting, illustration, anime, or any other art style with this powerful artificial intelligence. And you can generate your own avatar also using this AI tool.
So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to come on this page. Links are given in the description box. You can come to this page by clicking on that. On this page you can see the images created by others. If you want to preview any image, click on the image. Here in the left panel you can see the prompt of this image. You would be able to like and download images with these options also. Here you can see, there are many types of tools available which you can use according to your needs. You can try these tools one by one. To use the Pica AI Art Generator, you have to create an account or log in on this page. To log in, click on the Sign Up option. Here you can sign up with your Facebook or Google account. After signing up, you can see your profile and your credit coins here. Here you can see AI Image Generator from Text tool. In this tool, describe what you want the AI to create, tweak your settings, and Pica will turn your ideas into AI-generated images within seconds. AI Art Generator from Photo. To use this tool, you have to upload an image and turn it into a beautiful painting, illustration, anime, or any other art style with this powerful artificial intelligence. AI Portrait and Avatar Generator. By this tool you can create fancy AI avatars of yourself. You can see the difference in this image between before and after. So that was the best tool of this AI. Now let's generate some images by text. To generate an image, on this box, you have to describe what you want the AI to draw. You can write or paste your prompt. You can upload an image with this option. Choose your image aspect ratio. Choose number of images. Select the style according to your need. Then click on the Generate option. Now wait and watch the magic of this tool. Now you can see, the image has been generated with high quality. You can see all the images one by one. If you want to download your image, just click on the download option. You can like your image, and if you want to delete your image, click on the three-dot icon, and then click on delete option. So repeating this process you can generate any image. You should check your coin before generating your image. Now you can see I have only 4 coins available. Let's try some other tool. Now I am going to try this face swap tool. Click on face swap. Now add your face by this option. Choose your image. And select the photo from the right side panel to swap your face. You can select from your computer also by this option. After that, click on the Generate option. Now wait and watch. Now you can see the image is ready. Preview the image, and if you find it well, click on the download button and download the image. Now you can see the result.
So this was today's video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any question or suggestions related to this video, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos related AI and technology. Thanks for watching.